Haya in terms of marriage. If you're stuck in a relationship or dabbling with a relationship outside of it, never stop feeling conflicted about that, even if you're stuck in it right now. Or else you will begin to think that anything could ever be fulfilling in life after faith than a functional family, where the kids aren't suffering, where you truly are each other's rocks. That can only happen through character, not through chemistry and all this other stuff that we don't understand how it got to this point. And if we undermine the utility and the value of family, wallahi, no one will suffer more than our sisters. You know, in the past, women made men commit. There was a certain standard of manning up before you could have access. But now when the slogan of freedom for women actually granted men, unworthy men, free access to women, now the man has no reason to step up, no reason to qualify. It is now a buyer's market. He gets to pick whatever he wants, and then we say there's no more good men out there. And then it becomes a world of zina. May Allah protect us. And that is why Allah said, don't come near it. وَلَا تَقْرَبُوا. Don't underestimate this. Every single person that has fallen into zina comes to the shaykh and says, I have no idea how it got that far. Right? They all say the same thing. It's as if zina is a wild animal that you think you're far enough from the cage, so you underestimate it, then it grabs you. Allah said, don't come near it. Stay very, very, very far. So say Alhamdulillah for Islam. Say Alhamdulillah for Islam. I'm sure that my passion about this subject made me oversimplify many things or come off as oversimplifying them. And I know that we need holistic solutions. I just wanted to say that beginning with Alhamdulillah for Islam is where we start looking for those solutions and protecting our faith as a byproduct of that. Jazakallahu khairan wa sallallahu wa sallam wa barak ala nabiyyina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in.